GM. Welcome, everybody. You're welcome to the last market watch section of the month of 2025. And so I'm glad to be here with you all. And so, without further ado, I think first of all, I should say compliments of the season, our Christmas celebration, and happy in advance. Please, as usual, you know how we do it. Go to the comment section and then let's do a call roster. Tell me live the city or country watching me from. And those of you, if you find someone in your city, in your country, connect with that person. And if you're watching live, say live your city. If it's a replay, type replay your city. We're gonna do some call roster. Look at where everybody is at, and glad to be here. So without ado, welcome to Market Wash Live. So GM is peace end of the season to you too. And Space is watching from the UK. Great. So you all know how we do it. So Market Watch Live give for those who may be joining Market Watch Live for the first time. Market Watch Live is the market analysis section of Market Investors Lodge, where at the beginning of the week, Mondays, we always here. We will give you the three events you should watch out for as an investor and as a trader that can move this up, down. Many persons with this market event have always made money, or protect themselves from losses, and also we'll do some technicals of the market. Most time we do technicals of BTC and major other pairs, but in most cases we only do it, for BTC, because BTC is the god market. BTC movement and direction superimposes its will on the rest of the market. And once again, welcome to Market Live. So without further ado, while we wait for those of you who are live, please do share with your friends, share this video with members of our community, Discord, Telegram, on other social media platform. Share them. Market Watch Live. Market Watch is live. So the three market event we're watching for us, we dive into the new investment and trading week. On our list is happening tomorrow, which is the Camino token unlock. So this project is to unlock about which is 5.3% of its supply, approximately $14 million. What's going to happen? It's going to increase our pressure in the market, especially if it is low or a large allocation target is given to early investors. So if a large allocation target is given to early investors or liquidity is low, generally retail is out of the market. So liquidity is low. So for those who are investors here, you should watch out for sell off. Selling pressure is going to increase token. So if it's available in the futures market, you may have an opportunity to short the market, make market, and people want to have entry into this asset. It will be your opportunity to buy this asset for cheap. And second analysis here is happening on Wednesday. There is the initial jobless claim. So the forecast 15K claims for unemployment is going to be the number. However, previously we had 200. And this is a key labor market indicator. This is a key market label in smart investors. I know previously we've thought and broken down all of this and what it means, and so I should not spend much time here. So a higher than expected claim, which means if more persons are claiming they don't have jobs in the US, it's going to signal weakness in the market, put weight on risk on assets, include crypto. So whereby a lower claim, if a lower number of persons claim that have jobs, which means there are more jobs in the economy, is going to signal and support dollar yield and potentially increasing put on assets like cryptocurrency. And last but not the least, still happening on Wednesday is the Solano Alpenglow testnet. So this is an upgrade, and it's going to promise improvement, strong governance support, about 98% boost the Solana system. So this testnet, of course, could kind of price uncertain, but in anticipation, it could lift sentiment up in the market. But what I want you to know is that this is a testnet. This is net. It's not gone live, but this is going to promise performance improvement, strong governance, and boost optimism, in the Solana ecosystem. But this can boost optimism, and a little bit of uncertainty. This Ableng is not live. This is actually a testnet. These are the three market events we're watching out for. And mind you, this market event is capable of bringing market volatility. So you know how we do it. If you have to invest or trade the cryptocurrency market, this week you have to invest in trade it smartly. And let's dive a little bit into some technicals for the new investing and trading. Do something. BTC is about to have a candle close. Just let's see what kind of close are we going to have. However, I could still come here anyway. Bit of some partner. Yes, BTC. General heavy signs of weakness. So access. While we having this yes. Meanwhile, is there anybody watching us live from TikTok? If there's anybody from TikTok, let us know. In most cases, we used to, but we don't know if it gives it to our subscribers over there that were live. If there's anybody watching live from TikTok, no. Market heavily is giving us some heavy pressure, so it's sell signal anyway. But then let's look at our moving average is giving us quite a struggle. Moving into the universe and trading week on a 1 day time frame. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour strong sell. Uh, Oscillator neutral moving average still on a strong sell. So let's look more and dive deeper. Let's see on the deeper level. TC is about to have the first red candlestick in the past 2 years. So 2023 and 2000 and the red candle was a green candle, which means the market always closed higher than it opened. But for the month of Feb, like we're about to close on a red candle. So good lord, my weakness. So this is bad. See, just give me some seconds and I'll be back right here for you all. Ooh, so I'm back. I am your calm in the market. When the market look chaotic, most persons do the market. Look, guys, I've been here, kid experience right here. I know what I've seen this movie, before. So BTC is about the first red candle in 2 years. What can happen that can invalidate it? Let me show you the only thing to do to have it first to invalidate this being a red candle. Play with this chart much else I would like to. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna show you. So whether this happens or not, I'm gonna show you. But I'm sure most of you like acknowledge that for the past week we've been having a bad network like we used to. So this is all this needs to do. BTC needs to close at about approximately being down by please I'm gonna call this here a day. Don't allow me play more should be. However, you could see the first percent to peak. It shows us that all we need is like percent upward move for BTC, and we won't close with a red candlestick. However, let's dive into some more deeper technicals and see what's happening on some other. So first red candlestick into yes, not much has changed from our last analysis, which we showed last week, where BTC were range bound. However, even though we're range bound, we're still building in the bullish flag, in the bearish flag. I mean, BTC is still running into a bearish flag. Even if we have some upward continuation, there is, regardless, there is some bearish pressure, which means this level. But so far, this multi-year support law, BTC still seems to be holding strong, and like it's been my view, all this line. Sorry, you see my chart busy. This has been one of my most coincides, the one I've used for those of you who followed us all of these years. I literally don't clean this. And the purpose is so you know how far we've come. So you could see entire support line, which is still holding. As long as this multi support line is still holding, for me, this is not uh, technically the beginning of a market. So there are different ways we use to anticipate a bear market. For when we technically enter a bear market, as much as when we technically enter a bull market, you understand. So the next thing that happens is when we officially enter a bear market. But so far, what's much in the marketplace is anticipation of a top, which like I've done as either top or we near top. Uh, but then defense since we reached time high, to this point. One other important thing we just need to pay attention to is the bear market is confirmed technically. Until then, we're still playing defense in the market. But then, why is BTC showing us this? This is it. We had a CME gap. This is it. Let me zoom in so you can see. Do you notice that there is a gap here? This gap, this kind of gap, happens in the 4 hour. It most happens in 1 hour, in the 1 day frame. So this gap happens when the CME closes and retail activity still drive prices up. So it has proven a long period of time that whenever we have this gap, the market needs to always fill by sell off. So this morning when I saw it, we're at this point, and I knew that we're still going to test this level. And so this in equation, if you notice, is respect the BF flag level at the same time. So in the market, so between this week, nothing really more change. First of all, we are still range bound. The market is still range bound, and while we are still range bound, you can see the range resistance. We're still printing under a bearish flag, which down. But then let's watch and see if this break, this bullish, this bearish flag will be more invalidated. So far, these are the three market events we're watching. We watched that for. Should I give you all of the three market events we watched that for? So we watched that for Camino to unlock, which is happening tomorrow. We're also watching out on Wednesday for the initial claim. On Wednesday, the Solano Abla test net, and also for the technicals, nothing really has changed. Uh, BTC still range bound and still printing under the beer, flag. So we anticipate them to make some more decisive. Still look like we're about to have our first random close for 2 years. But the only thing that can validate that is if BTC does at least a 6% price surge from here, then we're gonna end up rather in green. Regardless, uh, These are watching out for. We also have Miss Felicity right here with us. So thank you so much for the update. It's really a pleasure, and thanks for all of you who always watch. And regardless of what you do, my friends, if you must invest or trade the cryptocurrency market, make sure it's not trading smartly. And tomorrow, very importantly, tomorrow we're having an Ask an Analyst. This is a end of year session with everybody at the Smart Investors Lodge. But there is a form you need to fill and then join a group. So what we're gonna do tomorrow is it's look, we're not gonna show you the charts. It's nothing that has to do with hype. It's going to do a review of the entire year, what worked, what did not work, the upsurge we had, how we position many persons had wrong, and at the end of the day, it's going to be an open mic where all of you will feel free to ask me any question at all about the market, about BTC, about what we should expect for 2026. I should position your trading portfolio and also the right things to do. So if you want to realize mistakes you made, if you want to make sure you don't enter into 2026 with that, and also watch out for opportunities in crypto and also tech that should make you money, be that for investment and trading opportunities or business opportunities, tomorrow is where you should be. How to find the link? Go to the Smart Investors Launch Telegram channel or join WhatsApp announcement channel for link. And feel free to register. I'm going to see you tomorrow by 8 p.m. Don't forget to invest or trade the cryptocurrency markets. Make sure you invest and trade